The thing that gets me so excited about the laser weeder is the large plant model. Is that proprietary to Carbon?
Yeah, we made this thing called the LPM, the large plant model. At some point, we realized we had enough data. So we have 150 million plant labels in our database. That means we know all these different types of plants, what they look like in all these different kinds of soils, the way that they're related to each other. Our machine knows everything about the structure of that plant and the way that it's related to all the other plants in its database. What that means now, with one or two pictures, we can decide that we know everything we need to know about that plant, what it's going to look like in different times of day, in different soils, different conditions, different growth stages, where we've never seen it before. But because we understand where it fits in this whole hierarchy of everything we've seen about all the other plants, we can make these kinds of inferences. So that was pretty mind-blowing. It was a brand new technology that we had developed, the large plant model. It works very well with this specific kind of environment. What it means practically for the farmers now is if a new weed shows up or they want to plant a different crop, there's no take a picture and we'll retrain you a model, which is kind of how the traditional AI-based computer vision stuff had worked. Now you can just take a picture and immediately, with no retraining, the large plant model will adjust and operate differently based on a single picture. That's a lot closer maybe to how humans learn things. It's much more in the direction of a dynamic live system that's not just making predictions, but it's actually reacting to everything that's going on. We have a really great AI team here who really cares about the task and the missions. We have to really care about our customers and what we're trying to do to come up with something like this. We could have just kept doing the kind of more traditional neural net AI deep learning training thing, but our team came up with this as a way to really change the game for our customers.
It's the best. That's why Carbon Robotics stands out.